And I've got this basket. I got it at Goodwill for $3.09. And we're gonna paint a flag on it. And the 3 colors of paint I'm gonna be using are Apple Barrel Blue Kazoo, Apple Barrel Red Apple, and Apple Barrel Antique White. And you can get all of these at Walmart. So I'm going to start by just painting a blue square here. I'm just using the little sponges from Dollar Tree. And this doesn't have to be perfect. I want it to have like a rustic, primitive look when I'm finished. This blue is so pretty, y'all. So you see how I did that? There's a closer look. So now I'm gonna go in with my red. And again, it's Red Apple by Apple Barrel. And I'm gonna start doing my stripes. And of course, you know, it'll start right here next to the blue. And I'll do red, white, red, white, red. This is a really pretty red too. Okay, so there's our first red stripe. Okay, so there's those, and then I'm gonna do one more red at the bottom. Okay. Look at that, isn't that pretty? Okay, now before I go in with my white, I am gonna dry it a little bit with my heat tool. So that if the white gets mixed with the red, it doesn't make a big old mess. Okay, so now that I've got that dry, we're gonna go in with the antique white Apple Barrel paint. And I'm just gonna paint the white in between the red. All right, so I got one stripe done. Now I'm gonna go in and do the next stripe. So you see? And then next, we're gonna go in with the glue gun and some pearls. The pearls came from Dollar Tree, but we're gonna use the pearls as stars. So I'm just gonna put just a little dab of glue on the back of the pearl and just stick it to the basket, just like that. Look at how cute that is. And then y'all know I can't leave well enough alone, so I'm gonna make a bow to put on the side. And so I'm just making just a simple bow. All you have to do to make this is take your ribbon, however long you want it, fold it over and fold it over, like make an X with it. You see that? And you want your two sides to be about the same width. And then you just gather it up in the center. And then I'm just gonna take a piece of wire And this is just floral wire from Dollar Tree. And I'm gonna go in the center. Just go around your center and twist as tight as you can get it, so your bow keeps a nice shape. Now I'm gonna dovetail my ends, and all you have to do is just fold it in half and cut at an angle. Fold it in half and cut it at an angle. And then I'm just gonna take this wire and wrap it around this handle to wire the bow on. So there's your basket, and you can put flowers or I don't know, some patriotic pillows in there or anything you wish. One last thing I want to do is take some antique wax. It's the Waverly. And I'm just going to kind of wipe over it with this wax to give it kind of an aged look. Okay, so there, now she's done. You see how that just gave it a little bit of extra oomph. I'll talk to y'all later. Love you guys. Bye-bye.